Today I will be unboxing the hydrogen water bottle that comes from Alkaway. So this is the box that it comes in, and this one is actually a silver bottle, but it also comes in this blue style as well. To unbox this, you would just open the box up, and inside you get the operating instructions. These instructions also come with another set of instructions, which are to operate the adapter, which comes in the kit. This adapter is in case you want to use another type of bottle, like a glass bottle, with the base of the hydrogen water bottle itself, instead of using the actual bottle that it comes in. So this is the bottle itself. As you can see, what the first thing to do is we'll just have a look at the instructions. So with the instructions, it says how to operate. There is a USB charging port that is located on the back of the generator, as we can see right here. So there is a cable that's provided. This cable is provided to charge the bottle. So you will have to supply your own little device to be able to charge the bottle. So when you're charging the bottle, there is a display that is located just above the button. There is a battery indicator bar which will appear on the display and will flash as the unit is charging. When the unit has finished charging, the battery indicator bar will stop flashing and show 4 full solid bars. To prepare your bottle, you'll have to undo the whole bottle middle. Now you will see there's a plug in the bottle. We just need to pop that plug out, but keep the plug for later use. This actually is there because there's a little bit of water that you will find on the membrane of the bottle. This water is crucial to protect the membrane, and without the plug it will pour into the bottle itself when you're storing it. So if you do want to store the bottle, you will put the plug back into the bottle, just the way you took it out. So you'd have to press that back in, like that. And then once you've pressed it in, you can then store the bottle back into its position if you're actually wanting to store it. Otherwise, we just keep the plug out, and then we can put that back in the box, and then we can use the bottle. So of course you would also remove this piece of cardboard. So we can put that back in there as well. To put the bottle together, so it comes in 3 pieces, like that. So you would be unscrewing the lid and then unscrewing the base from the middle section. So it says here, fill the hydrogen bottle with drinking water. So we'll screw it back on. So the best way to do that is where it lines up, you can find that line up with those little squiggly lines with where the charging is. And then you can screw that on to the bottle so that that squiggly line can then line up with the button. After we've done that, we just add enough water to filter level just below the lid. So we can do that now. So we're adding enough water to fill just below the lid. So that's almost a glass. And then we put the lid on. It doesn't matter where this lines up. As long as these lines are parallel, on each side. It doesn't matter where the logo is, whether that goes to the back or to the front. So there is a default cycle time of the hydrogen generator, which is 5 minutes. And we press the button, it's more of a hold rather than a press. So we just hold it slow. And then, as you can see, it switches on. So you will see there's a blue light there. And it starts to count down 5 minutes. And we can see that hydrogen bubbles being generated there. If we want 10 minutes, we would press or hold just a little quick one. So that would be 10 minutes of hydrogen water generation. So it starts to count down through the timer. If we want it to stop, we want it to stop, we can just hold and it will stop by itself. So I'm going to now do the timing again. So we hold 5 minutes and then we hold, or we simply just quickly press, and that's 10 minutes. And now we're going to wait for it to produce the hydrogen for the 10 minutes. Okay, so this countdown is now finishing off. And it beeps. So once it beeps, it's done. So you can remove the lid, and it just does a little pop. A little bit hard to remove sometimes, but you've just got to hear that little pop, and then you know that there's hydrogen in there, and then you're ready to drink it. So once it's done, once the hydrogen has been infused, it's good to drink it straight away. Once I've removed the lid, there's already hydrogen that's being diffused into the air. So once you've drank that, then it's a good idea to store the bottle with a little bit of water in it. So I'll just put this back into the glass. What we want to do is just leave a little bit of water floating around on the membrane. So that keeps that membrane without getting dry, and it will keep the bottle for longer. Before using the adapter, there's actually another video which I will link at the bottom of this video.